Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm going to basically show you how to get to your your categories, or how to set up your categories for each post. Here is really simple. A lot of the YouTube videos that they do have are from like 2014 or more, and sometimes the dashboards and everything are updated and they don't look the same. And so I'm here to kind of give you just a quick overview of how to just do that, how to set up your categories for your post on your WordPress.com site. So first we're going to go to my site, okay, and then we're going to go to post on the left hand side. Then we're going to click on our post, and then on the side here on the right side, what you'll have, you just scroll down and you'll see categories. Now in categories you can add tags. You can add a new category here at the side, and then you type in whatever title you want for your category for your specific post. And then you can pretty much, once you do that, then you can go here and update that post pretty much. And then once you're done, let's go back. Let's go to teaching experience, for example. Okay, so in here, it's categorized as education. Now when you go to your regular site, let's go to WordPress.com. Let's just go to my site, and in here you can go to the post, and here it says community work, and then you can click that, and it'll be in community works only. So anything in community works will be there. Also, you have stuff for like education experience, and here education. So everything's kind of categorized, so it makes sense. It looks neat, it's clean, and you can also click on the category and you'll get those specific categories.